I'm taking this video because there hasn't been any birds around, and suddenly they're everywhere. It's kind of creepy. I don't know if it's catching them chirping. It's really loud in the house too. Maybe it's a sign spring is here. They look like robins and mourning doves. You can see them all sitting in the branches. The cats have been watching them all morning. And it's pretty cold. 30-something degrees, so you wouldn't think they'd be out and about. And I haven't really seen anything like this in the 10 years we've been here, so I don't know what's happening.